Hello, my name is Sealy Clark. I'm here. I'm going to be your video tour guide on how to fix a broken image in your blog post draft. Now, sometimes a lot of people that are bloggers or use a blog for business or whatever use AI tools to help them write the posts. And as you can see here, I have SEOwriting.ai, which is pretty simple for me to use, as I am just a little internet farmer from Bangor, Maine. Um, Anyhow, one of the problems here is SEOwriting.ai works incredibly well, but every once in a while, as you may or may not know, AI has a bit of a head fit. Now, I have a great image here. It's beautiful. It's in a blog post. I have Make Money from Home, Tried and True Strategies. And the only problem is that instead of a person typing on a computer, I have an iPad with a pair of arms typing on a dang computer. Now, while that looks pretty cool if you're a sci-fi guy, gal, doesn't exactly send the message I want. Now, the other thing is when I copy this over to my blog, as you can see, this says make money from home. I copied the exact same thing over, and there's a broken link here that says make money from home. Now, that's a bit problematic as the picture didn't copy over. I'm going to need to find an image that works for this. So, what you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to copy this. Oh, heck, you can just put it into Google. You put make on images. Okay, do that. We're going to do images. We're going to go over here. We are going to go to usage rights, Creative Commons. Now, okay, let me try that again. I get a little excited. So you go to tools. When you go to the big G here, big Google, make money from home images is what I put. Go to the usage rights, Creative Commons license, and here it is. Make money from home. Now, a lot of these are home loans and whatnot. Real estate. So what you're going to have to do, I think this is pretty good. Looks like you're home on a desk, something of that nature, is you're going to have to make sure that it is free to use, it is correct to use, and legal to use. Now, if you have any doubts, of course, you can always put under the caption, which I will show you here in a moment, please contact for credit or removal, so it's licensable. You're going to click here. Okay, you find an image you like I picked that. This is from Wikipedia.org. I'm actually going to use this on my blog post right now, and I'll show you how I'm going to cite it so that if Wikipedia.org or the owner of the photo has a dispute, even though we use Creative Commons, which is basically free to use image, that they can contact me and say, hey man, take that off your dang blog. I'll say, yes sir, yes ma'am. Chances of that happening are very, very slim. However, I like to teach responsibility. So what you're going to do is you're going to do this, and you're going to do save image as, go back here to refresh your recollection, make money from home. Okay, so we're going to go here. We're going to click save image as home. Now, I have a bunch of different GIFs and JPEGs that already has this in it. That's not a problem. You can just do two at the end of it, and I have two as well. Well, dang. Three, it does not matter for your purposes, for our purposes. Then you're going to hit save. All right. Now you're going to go back here to your blog post that you have the Make Money from Home icon here with the broken image in it. You're going to click on it. You're going to leave it be. And now that you have saved that to your computer, because where that went is down here in your downloads. I will show you in a moment. You're going to go back to your blog posts, leave that highlighted. You're going to hit insert. You're going to go down to add media. You're going to hit upload, load files. You're going to go to select files and then make money from home 3. You're going to click that. You're going to hit open. You're going to wait for it to render, and then you're getting inserted into the post. And bam, it goes right there where that little broken image was. Okay. So again, this is assuming you have some knowledge on WordPress blogging, and you have a WordPress blog, and you're having broken imaging troubles. Now, I have very rarely had this. This was back months and months ago. I haven't got around to using this particular generation that SEOwriting.ai did for me. And sometimes I have hiccups, and ever since this time period, I've not had this problem. But I figured I'd just step in here and make you a quick video on how to fix broken images on your blog. If you happen to have some that you have used in the past from other places that have pooped out on you, and I figured I'd show you how to search on Google and responsibly, legally, and ethically use images on your blog. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down here this, and of course, the responsible thing is photo is courtesy. And if you don't want to type this all out, you can get a boilerplate copy that you can put down here. Photo is courtesy of Wikipedia.org. Okay, Wikipedia.org. And it doesn't hurt to link that to give Wikipedia.org some credit, some fun stuff, and you have their link in your blog, and people can go look at it. I'm sure they don't mind. And then you can put content or credit or removal request. And so we're going to do that. You have just fixed a little bit of trouble in your blog with a broken link, because you may go back here and have stuff in your draft, and there was a nice photo in there, and all of a sudden it pooped the bed, so to speak, and you're going to have to fix it. So I'm going to link Wikipedia.org. And let me do this again. Go to Wikipedia.org. There it is, Creative Commons licenses. You're going to take their main website, copy it, paste it in here. So you give them some SEO link juice. You're going to go open in a new tab and update. So again, my friend, that is how you fix a broken image link in your blog post draft, or in fact, in one of your already established posts, if you find any trouble like that. That's how you can fix it, because sometimes some of the images you use do expire, something happens to the source website, or whatever. Doesn't matter. So if you like what you've seen here and you found it handy, do be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below this video. And don't be afraid to click the bell icon. That way you get notified when a new video from me drops. So again, that tool I was using, if you like that, or if you want to take a look at that, it's SEOwriting.ai. And that link will be down in the description of this video as well. So until we talk again, remember, be yourself, help others, never quit. Bye-bye now.